SWOT Analysis. Example. Welcome to Projectcubicle. If you're a business owner, manager, or just someone who wants to make smarter decisions, you've probably heard of SWOT analysis. But what is it really? SWOT stands for strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. A simple yet powerful framework that helps you evaluate your current position and plan future strategies. Whether you're launching a project or assessing your whole company, SWOT analysis gives you a clear snapshot of what's working, what's not, and where to go next. Example. Let's walk through an example of a construction company based in North America. Imagine this. North Build Contractors is a mid-sized firm specializing in residential and commercial construction. Business has been steady, but growth has plateaued. The management team decides to run a SWOT analysis to figure out where they stand and where they could go. They gather in a meeting room armed with data, employee feedback, and market reports. Together, they identify 4 critical areas: strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Strengths. Let's start with what the company does well. Our example company, North Build Contractors, has a few strong advantages: highly skilled workforce with years of field experience, strong relationships with trusted subcontractors, reputation for delivering projects on time and within budget, reliable partnerships with key suppliers, ensuring timely material delivery. These strengths help North Build stand out from the competition and maintain a loyal client base. Weaknesses. Next, the company looks at its internal challenges. Here's what's holding them back: resistance to new technology and construction processes, high costs for equipment maintenance, impacting margins, over-reliance on traditional residential projects, limiting growth, weak digital marketing presence, making it harder to attract new clients. These weaknesses expose the company to potential stagnation and higher operating costs. Opportunities. Now, the team turns their attention outward. What's happening in the market that North Build can take advantage of? Rising demand for eco-friendly and energy-efficient construction, new government funding programs supporting infrastructure and green projects, opportunities to bid on commercial and public sector contracts, emerging technologies like building information modeling, BIM, and drones that improve efficiency. By aligning their strengths with these opportunities, the company could unlock new revenue streams. Threats. Finally, they analyze the risks and challenges outside their control. Here's what's on their radar: rising raw material costs, unpredictable weather conditions delaying outdoor work, labor shortages in skilled trades across the industry, new competitors entering the local market with lower pricing. These threats could impact project timelines, cost efficiency, and market share if not managed properly. Here's what North Build can do with this. They can leverage their skilled team and strong supply chain to take advantage of green construction trends. They should explore diversifying into commercial projects to reduce dependency on residential work. And it's clear, they need to modernize their operations and improve their online visibility. On the threat side, they might hedge material cost volatility and invest in workforce training to offset the labor shortage. This example shows how a simple SWOT matrix helps you identify what's pushing your company forward and what might be holding it back. If you found this example helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more content from Projectcubicle. We've got more insights, tools, and real-world business tips coming your way. Thanks for watching, and keep building smarter.